Kindly like, subscribe, and share the video.
And by name Adebayo Oluwaseun. So I want to be teaching us how to design a simple logo design using our website. And the website we're going to be using now is Render Forest. Render what? Render Forest. You can see from this screen, this is our Render Forest interface. So for you to design this logo, just come to renderforest.com/logo-maker. Then it will take you directly to a place like this. So this website is so easy for you to design a logo. Very simple, straightforward, and is for free. So the first thing we are going to do is to come to free online logo maker. Then here we are going to type the name of our brand. So I'm going to enter Digitext. So now click on create logo. So it's asking us, okay, the description of the logo. If you have the, okay, let me just put real estate. Then toggle all-in-one brand platform. Just something to collaborate the name of your brand logo. Let me just say, okay, I don't need that anyway, but you can. Okay, let me just put real estate. Guru. Okay, let me save. Okay, trusted, tested and trusted, tested and tested and trusted. Then you click on next. Also, if you are using a mobile device, you can also do something like this. Here is telling us, he said it is time to pick a style, the style of your logo. So we are going to pick 3 options from here. So let me just pick here. Okay, let me pick. I think I'll go with this format. Then I'll go to the next one to pick another one, another format. Okay, here you are going to scroll down. So it's giving us a kind of a preview on how logo will look like. This section, if you look at it properly, it's telling us to customize, and this is where branding has to come in place. So let's check the second option. So let's see how it looks like on various platforms in different formats. So then you scroll down. As long as you see the one that really corroborates your desired logo, then you can now go with such a one. And as you all know, blue Digitext branding is all about blue color. So let's look for the one that really represents our brand. Okay, I think I'll go with this. No, we may still edit it later, but let's just go with this. Then as soon as you are done, you can customize it. Then you can click on what? Download. So let's click on download and let's see how it will go. Then after clicking on, okay, let me click. You sign up. So you'll be directed to sign up either through your email or your Gmail, or you do it manually, but I will go with Gmail registration because I already have an account. So let's see. I'll be automatically registered. So I think we are now free to download now. So let's click on download again. Then now it's now showing us different formats. Then JPEG options, then JPEG high quality, you can see. So this JPEG low quality is free. So you can use this option to download your logo. So let's download it and let's see how it looks like. So it has already been downloaded. Can you see here? So but here it said full branding identity. So this one is trying to explain to us branding. You can see how it will appear on different social media platforms. So if you want to know more about branding, you can go for this. So let's see what we've downloaded. Let's see the pop up on that logo, you will come here. This is a logo editor right from Render Forest. So we can actually edit the logo we already have here. So we can change the background color to something like white, and even the text color we can edit it if there are any things we are not okay with. You can see we can change the size of what you just created. Then you can see even the trusted, you can actually edit. There are options to edit here. Then the icon, so let's see, you can also edit the icon. So this is the recent icon, the one we have already. You can see other options that we can actually pick from here. Then the layout, the background, we can all work on that. Can you see different formats? So then let's see the palette. So there are different possibilities here, and it will give you a very nice color combination. Everything you need to make your logo look amazing is everything is here. Then let's check the background. You can see so this is just a whole world of possibility, and when you are done you can click on download and download your logo. Then different options, you can just click on the free download. And if you want to go for a more professional branded logo, you can subscribe for the pro of this logo, then you are good to go. Let's see our logo. And everything we are seeing here, you can also do it on mobile device. So you can see these are logo. So kindly like and share this video and give your thoughts in the comment section, but make sure you like and share the video.